How's it going, guys? It's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at UMZU, back again today talking about what is creatine. But first, before we get into this one, I want to make sure to give you a chance to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be coming out with tons of content just like this, and I really want to get this information out to as many people as possible so that they can make informed decisions about the supplements that they're putting into their body, because I really want to help people enhance their overall health with supplementation instead of destroy it. So if you want to help me with that, please hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this one. Teacrine is an alkaloid that is similar to caffeine. There's not much evidence on the official discovery of teacrine. However, nonetheless, it is here. So, teacrine works synergistically with caffeine to enhance cognitive and physical performance without building a dependency on the molecule. So you actually don't have to rely on this. Every time you take it is like the first time taking it, which is really interesting. That makes it very, very unique. So does dynamine. So some sources even say that it's a derivative of caffeine made within the kucha plant. Studies even suggest that whenever supplementing with teacrine and caffeine, that the bioavailability of teacrine is enhanced tremendously, and the potency of it actually increases as well, which is quite fascinating. When looking to supplement with teacrine, the most studied doses around are anywhere from 100 to 300 milligrams. And then if you want to make it even more effective, then you can stack it with caffeine, and it makes it that much more potent. Here at UMZU, we actually have a supplement called Miracle Morning that has 100 milligrams of teacrine in it, along with 100 milligrams of L-theanine, and then you stack that with a cup of coffee, and the theanine actually promotes relaxation without the drowsiness, so you're going to get a very good kick without the anxiousness that caffeine and that stimulation can bring in a lot of cases. So if you want to check that out, you can find that at umzu.com. And that's really all I got for this video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button, and then comment down below if you have any kind of topics that you'd like me to cover in the future. I'd love to talk about them. I love all kinds of supplements, and I really want to inform people and allow them to make informed decisions whenever they're trying to find supplements that they like. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you next time.